y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Gypsy Wife Life cleanup routine. A lot of you ask me if I clean every day, and you know what? Normally I do, but the last few days I've been so lazy I haven't cleaned anything. So I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of my mess before the cleaning begins. And I'm also going to be testing out a lot of the products that I got from Grove Collaborative that you guys seen in my haul the other day. And I wanted to start out first with these paper towels. I wanted to see how they feel, and I wanted to describe it to y'all. Okay, hold up. These feel like a little squishy. Do you hear my birds? That is exactly why I have to do voiceover sometimes. Let's scare one off here. Okay, hold up. Getting stuck. Woo! Oh, did I just do that? Oy. Okay, so I broke it, but yeah. So these are pretty thin, but I don't know. Let's see how they work. So this is what my apartment's looking like right now because I haven't cleaned in a few days. Okay, don't judge. I know it's actually not that bad, but there is stuff just sitting around, laying around, and it's a little cluttered, and there's a lot of mud on the floor from it snowing and all that. So yeah, this is what my place looks like, and I'm gonna clean it up. If you're wondering why there is packing paper in my cat's bathroom, it's because they were having so much fun with the packing paper in the living room. I put it in the bathroom so they could play with it in there instead of on my couch. So I'm actually not going to be cleaning all of these rooms in this video, but I'm mainly going to be cleaning the living room, kitchen, my bathroom, and my bedroom. So last night I cooked and I loaded my dishwasher, but I didn't start it because I wanted to try out the 7th generation dishwasher detergent packs. And I left a bunch of food on my dishes because I wanted to see how well it would work, and I let them sit like that overnight. So you will see at the end of the video the results. So I'm starting off by using this Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and it's in the lemongrass scent. First off, I just want to say my stove was not greasy, but I have trouble cleaning my stovetop because it's black. It seems to just always look like there's stuff on it and it's never clean looking. So I wanted to test this out. I would like to try it in the future when I actually have grease on my stove, but overall this stuff smelled really good and it did a really good job just cleaning my stovetop in general. But we're gonna have to cook up some bacon and see how well it works with the grease on top of it then. So now I'm testing out the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner, and this is citron scented, and oh my gosh, this stuff smells so good. Like seriously, I kept wanting to just spray it all over just so I could smell it. This product smells amazing and it works really well too. So now I am testing out the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and this is waterfall scented. This product smells so good as well. All of these products smell amazing. I'm like so impressed and shocked with these scents that I chose from Grove Collaborative. But anyways, a lot of people actually said that this glass cleaner didn't work that well, but I think it worked pretty good. I actually used it on my microwave and on all of my mirrors, and I think it did a great job. Next up, I'm trying the Method Steel for Real. It's supposed to clean and polish your stainless steel, and this is Apple Orchard scented, my favorite scent from Method. So it says to actually spray on a rag and then like buff and wipe and all that. So I kind of did that at first, and then I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna spray this all over and just clean it the best I can. So it smells amazing, but I don't know if it did the best job. I mean, actually looking at my icebox right now, it doesn't look that bad at all. I probably could have put a little more effort into it, but overall I think the product was good, but I'm not sure if I think it was the greatest product in the world. But I'm gonna continue to use it because it smells awesome. So I just put on a fresh Swiffer pad on my little Swiffer mop here, and we're going to be testing out the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. This is in lemon ginger. It smells so good, and you know what? I was really looking forward to using this product, and I ended up loving it. I actually mopped pretty much my whole floor with this bottle, and if you look at the bottle, you can see I barely even used any. A little bit went a long way, but this was so perfect for mopping the floor and so easy. You literally just squeeze it on the floor and mop it up. No rinsing required. It was not sticky. It smelled great. This product is definitely a really good product. So now, guess what I'm making? I am making a fabric refresher using my new Method fabric softener. This fabric softener is in the smell Beach Sage, and I'm actually just using an old Method bottle that I had water and essential oils in. So I just rinsed that out, and now I am filling it with a little bit of fabric softener, and then the rest of it is going to be water. And then you just shake it together, and you can spray this on anything. Spray it on your rugs. I sprayed on my futon, my blankets, sheets, bed, whatever. This stuff smelled so good and fresh, and it turned out really good. So yeah. So I'm just straightening up the blankets and stuff on the couch and taking everything off that was sitting on there, which was like my coat, my purse, my weave, and I'm spraying it down with my new Method fabric refresher. So while I was cleaning, the mailman left a package at my door. I just got this package in from Adore Me, and it's actually a really cute set of pajamas that ended up being too big for me. So if you guys want to check them out on my Poshmark, they are listed on there. They're super cute Valentine's Day pajamas, and they are size medium. So if you want to snatch them up before anyone else does, you're more than welcome to shop on my Poshmark. I will link it down below in the description. So now I am testing my Method Squirt and Mop solution over all this mud. I really didn't want to vacuum it or sweep it or anything. I wanted to test this product on the big chunks of mud because I wanted to see if it would clean it up really good, and it actually did. It made my floor spotless, and I also didn't want to vacuum it because I didn't want to get any mud on my vacuum. So yeah, but this worked awesome, so that's all that matters. So now it's time to start cleaning up this bathroom, and I was really excited to use my new products in my bathroom, especially my shower. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm using the Method Glass and Surface on my mirror. And then for my bathroom countertop and my sink, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac Spearmint Cleaner. I'm also testing out the Method Anti-Bac Spearmint Toilet Cleaner. Now for my shower, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's Tub and Tile Lavender Scented Cleaner. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of my tub. I want you guys to know this ring around the tub is from when I take a bath and I wash my face in the bathtub, and I have all that mascara and eyeliner. That's all of my makeup making a ring around the tub. But I am so impressed with this Mrs. Meyer Tub and Tile Cleaner. I didn't even have to scrub that hard, and this product cleaned it up like magic. I was seriously impressed. Normally I'd have to scrub really good to get that ring off, but this product worked amazing, and it smelled so good, and the scent lasted for hours in my bathroom. Now I am taking my Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena scent room freshener and just spraying that all over. It smells so good. And I got my little plate set up with my lavender soap on it. Looks so cute. So I just got these pink zebra sprinkle wax melts in the mail. This lovely girl sent me some samples. She sent me Mary Margarita, Air Care glazed gingerbread cupcakes, and flannel blanket. They're like just little chips that you put in your wax warmer, but these smell so good. The one I used was the flannel blanket, and it made my entire living room and kitchen just smell amazing. So I'm going to put her link and stuff in the description if you want to check this stuff out. It's so cute, and they have so many other scents to choose from, but flannel blanket was awesome. And now I want to tell y'all that the 7th generation dishwashing packs, girl, these were amazing. I didn't have a drop of food left anywhere on my dishes or in my dishwasher, and they made my cups crystal clear. So now I'm spraying my Method fabric refresher on my sheets and stuff. I'm also listening to a little Carole King. Yes, girl, I was listening to So Far Away. I love to listen to music while I clean. It helps me get the job done. Plus, it's enjoyable because I'm listening to jams, I'm singing, I'm dancing, and it makes it feel more like a relaxing experience, I guess, rather than, you know, oh, I'm having to clean. Yeah, you should try it sometime. Put on some good music and clean. It makes you feel better. So anyways, this is the end of the video. I just want to tell you guys, don't forget to check out the description down below. I'm going to link Grove Collaborative. If you haven't watched my product haul from Grove Collaborative, I'm going to link that down below too. You guys should check that out. You guys got to sign up because it's amazing. These products are so good. They're non-toxic. They're all natural. They all smell so good, and they work really good. So check out that link down below. And also I want to say congratulations to the winner of the pink peel off face mask. I'm going to put your name somewhere on this video. Congratulations to you. Don't forget to contact me with your shipping info so I can ship out your prize. And thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a like, and I'll see you next time. And if you have any questions, just ask.